Apple fans, get ready! Your device might soon send you a notification for a new update. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Apple has rolled out software update 26.3 for various platforms like iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. But don't get too excited though, as there won't be any surprises of flashy new features. iOS 26.3 and iPadOS 26.3 are packed with bug fixes, tackling 37 security issues, according to 9to5Mac. It's the kind of update that doesn't make headlines, but keeps your device safe from potential threats. Mac users get macOS Tahoe 26.3, while Apple Watch owners receive watchOS 26.3, both focused on bug fixes and security enhancements. However, there are a couple of new tricks. iPhone and iPad users now have a handy tool for switching to Android. It can move photos, notes, messages, and apps to a new Android device, although help data and protected content will stay behind. There's also a new option to forward notifications from an iPhone or iPad to another device, but only for users in Europe. Sure, this update is small, but rumors suggest Apple's saving the big reveals for 26.4. Insiders hint that the next release will bring a major Siri refresh and new emoji options. In other words, consider 26.3 the calm before the chaos. 26.3 is just about keeping your devices safe and prepped for the upcoming bigger upgrades. So get ready, big features are coming soon, but for now it's all about fixing bugs and adding security. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.